Right, here we go with one of our favourite teams. It is Anabolic, car number 45 on the Oricom Rocky Horror. You're watching another one of the new release videos from the team here at Four Drive TV, covering all of the action of the 2016 Tough Dog Tough Truck Challenge. This vehicle is pretty much a rock crawler based around a Jeep chassis. Team Anabolic have just landed themselves with 10 points. They're down the bottom of the Rocky Horror. They will make a turnaround before winding their way back up and looking for the 20-point gate and then the climb up and over the 30-point mark. Now this 30-point gate has been a real challenge for some of the teams this year. Navigator is already working in there as rain starts to fall here late on Sunday afternoon at Tough Truck. TSL SX Super Summer tyres. Working nicely so far on these rocks. Front is up, oh, bouncing sideways. Four Drive TV cameraman takes a dive for it. Check out that footage. Front's starting to climb. That's looking good now. Here we go. Into it, boys. Beautifully done. And the crowd here remaining at the Oricom Rocky Horror are absolutely loving that. Late on a Sunday afternoon, one of the last vehicles traversing the course. They're now up and into it. They've wasted quite an amount of time. Team 45, Anabolic, are now running around the top of the course looking for the 50-point gate. We'd love to see them back on the waterfall having a serious crack. So let's get them through the 50-point gate, back down the hill. Let's hope they're conscious of time. Front wheel's going straight over. Looking good so far, nice and controlled. No drama at all. Bounces their way down through that. 60 points and a further 70 points now. Well, they've got to punch their way over this rock, lining it up now. Plenty of grunt, but all brought on a bit too late. Pushing the front down, looking for some traction. Dragging the vehicle over that edge, not a problem at all. Well done, guys, that's a good drive. Coming into the waterfall now, the main section of the climb here at the Oricom Rocky Horror. Team 45 Anabolic, let's see what they've got. Come on, guys. This vehicle is strong, stable, it's got plenty of grunt. Lifting that front left high in the air. Navigator says, what did you stop for? Oh yeah, we're loving this. That's where we want it. Oh! Woo! Hey! That is a sensational drive. What a save. Woo! Looking good. Gotta love this. What an absolutely amazing effort. Team Anabolic, car number 45, have certainly put on a show for us here at the 2016 Tough Dog Tough Truck Challenge. That's an absolutely spectacular drive. The guys will love that. Well, I'll tell you what, they probably don't love it as much as we love it, but that is awesome. That is going to be some spectacular footage. What a drive. You made us wait once again. We've always waited for Anabolic on the courses, but you definitely put on a show. What actually happened there?
It's our last track, Simon, so we gave it everything it had. And we weren't going to give up, but unfortunately we didn't get up, but we put on the show.
Tried a few different lines there to get up the waterfall, but just no joy this year.
We tried left and right. I think we're a bit short on time. We gave it a go, our best shot.
Spectacular. Thank you so much for being here at the 2017 Tough Dog Tough Truck Challenge. We'll look forward to seeing you again next year.
Cheers, Simon, thanks.
Thank you.